Hi, my name is Ryan Rezzelle. I'm with Leica Geosystems, and today I'm going to show you how easy the BLK360 is to use. I'm holding in my hands a very unique designed tripod. It's a form factor that is quite beautiful and is going to fit nicely in bags or cases that are built for the BLK. Basically, this unfolds very simply into a nice design that can sit on a table, or we can extend the legs down and use this as a floor tripod as well. On the tripod itself, there's a quick release button right here, and this is how I put the BLK on or off. This is the BLK360. I do have a fairly large hand, but it is only 6 inches by 4 inches. It weighs 2.2 pounds. It is a thing of beauty, and a term that I've used up to date is breathtaking. It is breathtaking in not only how it appears, how it operates, just all around. So what I do to put it on the tripod, I press in the quick release, set the BLK down, and the BLK is now attached. If I wanted, I could actually invert the BLK so it's coming down off the bottom of the tripod, so I can do an inverted scan if I were interested. In order to power it on, I simply press the button until I see the light start blinking. It's now blinking yellow, telling me that it is engaging the firmware and it's preparing actually for use. I will know that it's ready for use when the light, the ring around the actual BLK360 turns green. And now it's green. To engage it, I simply press the button again, press it a single time. It's now blinking green. The first thing that we're going to see is it's going to do a 360-degree rotation where it's metering for ambient light for the photo stage of the capture. The BLK360 in general is going to take about 3 minutes for a full 360-degree full dome scan plus images, and that's at our medium resolution settings. The scanner is set to have 3 different resolution settings: 6 millimeters at 10 meters, 12 millimeters at 10 meters, as well as 30 millimeters at 10 meters. You know, it's a very, very exciting piece of technology, and we're actually seeing it actively doing a scan with image set right now. As long as this is blinking, we know that it's in operation. This will re-engage as a green ring around the bottom of the scanner when it's done with the scan. And as soon as that re-engages as a green ring, we'll be able to pick the scanner up, move it to a second location, and engage it at that location. It is very simply one button operation. You don't need an external controller. You can use the iPod Pro with our Recap 360 mobile app. That is the partnership that we have with Autodesk that allows us to engage that app on the iPad Pro. In those instances, you're able to control the scanner directly from that app. But in the instance that you don't have the iPad Pro, you simply turn it on. When the light is green, you hit go and you're scanning. This is really a very, very simple process. I have a 7-year-old and a 3-year-old at home. I would imagine that I could teach either of them to scan. This is now finishing its rotation. Here in just a few moments, we should be good to go with this scan. And again, once that bottom ring turns green, we'll be ready to move to another location. The scanner in general is scanning at 360,000 points per second. And there we go. So 360,000 points per second. It has a range to 60 meters. And so now we've scanned at this location. It is quite simply as easy as now picking the scanner up, moving to the next location that I would want to scan, setting the scanner down again, and quite simply hitting the button. You move it from position to position. It has an internal IMU that's tracking the movement of the scanner from position to position. So it actually is using that motion data from wherever you have it for one scan to the next scan position in order to capture that for registration. There are very powerful auto registration tools within the Recap 360 app. We have the very powerful registration tools that come with Leica and Cyclone products that we currently offer. So registering from position to position is going to be pretty fantastic as far as ease of use, not only with data capture, but data management. So the Leica Geosystems BLK360, our partnership with Autodesk, and the Recap 360 Pro mobile app and desktop application both fantastic. The product is fantastic. I'm very, very excited to be a part of this product release as far as where we're headed in that direction, and the ability for all of you to have the opportunity to both use it, see the data from it, and become a part of the Leica family as users of this great product. So thank you very much, Mr. Frank. I appreciate the time.